to another APM video. Today I'm going to be doing an update review for the newest APM update. So we got a lot going on here, so it's not a too big update, but we have RV hitches. So if I spawn this random truck here, we can see that it has a hitch, which is very cool. Of course you still got the winch, which is pretty cool, but yeah, it just got moved. I don't think there's anything else in the RV that we need to know. I don't think there's something else, unless they added a new function, but I don't think they would do that. Yeah, now we have a hitch. And of course, the main attraction, flatbeds. So I checked the update a little earlier, and we got a couple builds. So if we go ahead and spawn this truck in, and I can definitely see a lot of good builds with the flatbed. It looks really good. We got a hitch, an integrated exhaust with it. Not sure why, but yeah. Not sure why. There's two flatbeds. There's the dually one, as you can see, and there's the normal one, which I'm gonna spawn. This one. And there's the normal one. And they're all the same size. So you have a toolbox, a side rail. And then you have on the other side you have the same thing pretty much, toolbox. And this is definitely a W update. Like, I can definitely see a lot of good builds coming to the future. This is definitely good for RP and everything. For like city services, you can like put a toolbox like just like so. It doesn't make too much sense, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the new attachment. So let's go with the Ram TRX. Don't mind it. It's weird looking, I know, but we're gonna go ahead and enter the customization, and we're gonna slap a flatbed on there. This is definitely a GG update, a W update. What did I say? W update. I know I said it a million times, but this is what I've been wanting for. They also made a few customization part 3. So now if you go and hold up. So now if you go and paint exterior windows, you can now color them, which is now free, which is really cool. And you can make some pretty cool builds with that, actually. Yeah, this is very sick. I'm not sure what I'm saying, but then if you scroll down again, down tailgates, you will see flatbeds. So you have the normal one, and you have this one. They also extend your wheel, so the flatbed truck is longer. But yeah, you have it. So this is the dually one, and this is the non-dually. And also, you can now make the customization free. So if you go in exhaust, for example, let's make it orange. Let's make it pink. I have no idea why pink. Orange. Well, now I only have an exhaust, but you can add more attachments, obviously. And I think they added new wraps, if I'm not mistaken. Because, yeah, look at how many new wraps we have. This was definitely not in the game before, but yeah, I can definitely see a lot of good builds with that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this update. I don't think I missed anything. I'm not sure. Also, guys, they also resetted all the colors. So that's something they did for I don't know why. I don't know why, but they resetted all the colors. And as you can see on my truck, yep, all the colors are resetted, which is weird. They sometimes it does happen. So I can see why. I don't really know why, actually. And yeah, I don't think I missed anything. To be honest, I don't think there's much. They just resetted all the colors, and I think I didn't miss anything. Yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts on this update. This new update is definitely cool. Definitely way better than the Southern Modding update. Southern Modding, if you're watching this, your updates are terrible. And yeah, that's definitely a W update. Hopefully in the next update we see a map expansion. I definitely want to see this in the game. And for my final review, I think I'll give it like a 12 out of 10. I think they kind of make the truck look weird somehow. Like they extend the wheel a little further, which makes it look weird. But at the same time makes it look very unique and very nice. Also, you have that hitch cover. I completely forgot. So you can place your hitch right there. It's covered up. For some reason, there's like a couple exhausts here. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. And like this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you want. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.